Hello guys, welcome to SR Tech. Tune in for many unboxing videos and specifications of electronic gadgets. Today we are going to unbox Philips HP8230 hair dryer. So I have ordered this in Lazada. As currently I am in Malaysia, so Lazada is one of the biggest online shopping destination in Malaysia. So let's unbox this. Okay, so inside this pack, here is the box. Yeah, it comes with three main features, that is TP, thermal protection, and it has 2100 watt power consumption and 6 speed variants. Okay, all the details are given here. You can pause and check the details. Let me quickly read it out for you. Thermal protection, cool shot, 2100 watt, 6 speed controls, 14 nozzle, 1.8 meter power cord, and 2 years of warranty. Now let's unbox the main products itself. So let's see what's there in the box. Okay, as I open the box, there is a user manual. Okay, it's from Philips. So make sure you go through this before using the product. Then comes the nozzle with 14 which is a very big one, which will be fixed to the machine later. I'll show you. Let's keep aside. And then the machine itself, it's a very powerful machine. It is, as I mentioned earlier, it is having 2100 watt power, and there's a warranty card and some detailed booklets. So make sure you fill in the details of the warranty card and get the benefit of 2 years of warranty. So keep this aside. Now we open the product itself. Okay, as I mentioned earlier, the cord is very long, that is 1.8 meters, which can be very useful when you use it from a long distance. So the product looks very solid and very glossy finish. Okay, it's very stylish. And here are the switches. The one which I mentioned earlier, that is 6 controls, that is 3 for speed and 3 for heat. And this is the cool shot. Once your hairstyle is fixed, you need a cool shot to be fixed to make your hair stable. And this is the power head, which will go into the socket. Now let me put in the nozzle, connect the nozzle to the machine. Okay, let me try. Looks very premium. The product is like seriously very nice. Philips is a very famous brand used by most of the hairstylists and experts. So yes, it's a must-have gadget for those who love their hair. So for today, I think for unboxing, this is it for today. Later I'll come with full review of this product. So have a nice day and thank you for watching. Come with